In this video, I will show you how to hide real views count on your Instagram account. Open up your Instagram app. Click on your profile icon. Click on professional dashboard. Go ahead and click on the setting icon. Just scroll down right here. Click on view count on profile. Then go ahead and make sure you turn on this button. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.